I welcome you all to this video lecture on the topic singly linked list. Let's begin with what is singly linked list. A singly linked list is a data structure in which each element or node contains a value and a reference to the next node in the sequence. It forms a linear collection of elements where each node points to the next node and the last node points to the null reference, indicating the end of the list. Here is the basic structure of singly linked list node. It starts with the keyword struct, then the node. Then the members of the singly linked list nodes are int, data and struct node asterisk next. Int data indicates the data stored in the node and the struct node asterisk next indicates pointer to the next node. And then here is the example program for singly linked list node. The program includes the necessary header files for standard input-output and memory allocation. It defines a structure named node that represents a node in a singly linked list. Each node contains an integer data and a pointer next to the next node in the list. The insert at beginning function is defined to insert a new node at the beginning of the linked list. It takes the current head of the list and the new data to be inserted as parameters. Inside the function, a new node is dynamically allocated using malloc. Its data is set to the provided data and its next is set to the current head. Finally, the function returns the pointer to the newly created node, which becomes the new head of the list. The display function is defined to traverse and print the elements of the linked list. It takes the head of the list as a parameter and iterates through the list using a while loop, printing the data of each node along with an arrow symbol. Continues until the end of the list is reached. And in the main function, a pointer head is declared and initialized to null, that representing an empty linked list. The elements 3, 5, 7 and 9 are inserted at the beginning of the linked list using insert at beginning function. The display function is called to print the elements of the linked list. The program ends by returning 0 from the main function. Here, the program essentially created a linked list with elements 9, 7, 5 and 3 and then displays the list using display function. And then here is the output for the above program. Thank you.